Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: android. Spelling: Android. Meaning: a robot that is made to look and act like a human being. Synonyms: robot, automaton, humanoid. Antonyms: usage. The sci-fi movie featured an android as the main character. The company is developing advanced androids for medical assistance. Word: new. Spelling: New. Meaning: recently created, discovered, or introduced, not existing before. Synonyms: fresh, modern, recent. Antonyms: old, used, ancient. Usage: she bought a new car last week. Word: merriment. Spelling: Merriment. Meaning: a feeling or expression of joy and amusement. Synonyms: amusement, joy, cheerfulness. Antonyms: sadness, gloom, melancholy. Usage: the party was filled with merriment and laughter. The children's merriment was contagious. Word: parenthesize. Spelling: Parenthesize. Meaning: to place in or as if in parentheses, to set apart or separate. Synonyms: bracket, enclose, set apart. Antonyms: include, merge. Usage: the writer parenthesized the important note to ensure it stood out. The teacher asked the students to parenthesize the dates in the text. Word: bilingual. Spelling: Bilingual. Meaning: able to speak two languages fluently. Synonyms: multilingual, polyglot, dual language. Antonyms: monolingual, unilingual. Usage: she is bilingual and can speak both English and Spanish fluently. Word: secrecy. Spelling: Secrecy. Meaning: the state of being secret or hidden from others. Synonyms: privacy, confidentiality, discretion. Antonyms: publicity, openness, transparency. Usage: the company maintained secrecy about their new product until the launch. The secrecy surrounding the project was strict. Word: communal. Spelling: Communal. Meaning: shared or used by a group of people, relating to a community. Synonyms: shared, collective, community. Antonyms: private, individual, personal. Usage: the communal kitchen was where everyone gathered to cook and eat. The communal garden was a place for the community to grow their own vegetables. Word: omission. Spelling: Omission. Meaning: the act of leaving something out or failing to include it. Synonyms: exclusion, neglect, oversight. Antonyms: inclusion, addition, involvement. Usage: the omission of the crucial detail led to the misunderstanding. The report highlighted several omissions in the original data. Word: extinction. Spelling: Extinction. Meaning: the state or process of dying out or being wiped out. Synonyms: annihilation, eradication, obliteration. Antonyms: survival, existence, continuation. Usage: the extinction of the dinosaurs is a well-known historical event. The species is at risk of extinction due to habitat loss. Word: powerhouse. Spelling: Powerhouse. Meaning: a person or thing that has a lot of power, energy, or influence. Synonyms: dynamo, force, energy source. Antonyms: weakling, ineffectual person, powerless entity. Usage: she is a powerhouse in the business world, known for her innovative ideas. The city is a powerhouse of cultural and artistic activities. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.